back in another video. Today's video, I am, as you see by the title, I'm pranking my 3 friends. I texted them earlier and told them, asked them if I could call them, because you know people are busy, so I asked them if I could call them. I had something to tell them real quick. So, all of them say yeah. I'm gonna call them right now. Oh, who should I call first? I'm nervous. I'm nervous though, because I don't know what they're gonna say. It's ringing.
Hey, boo.
Hey, boo.
What's up?
How you doing?
How you doing? Ow.
Oh, I got something to tell you.
What's going on?
Remember what I told you about yesterday?
What happened yesterday?
Remember that screenshot I sent? The screenshot I sent you yesterday?
Mm-hmm.
So, I decided to give him another try.
Okay. Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah, I heard you.
What did I say?
You said you decided to give it another try.
And you don't got nothing to say.
No.
Mhm.
I mean, I feel like it's a good, like, if you want to, then you should. If you have something in your heart or you're feeling something and you don't give it a chance, then you'll have regret for the rest of your life. So if that's something you want to explore, then you should,
But you forgot what happened?
Of course, I know what happened, but time has passed, and I mean, that's a conversation you guys have to have before you guys decide that you're going to be completely serious again. I feel like you need to explain to him that that was embarrassing. You don't want to ever feel like he's putting people before you. Like, if he wants to be serious with you, then he has to know that, especially if he's looking towards marriage or like being together forever, then he has to know that he has to put you first. That's a conversation to have,
Yeah, girl. Trust me, I know.
Also, I feel like you need to let him know, like, you understand that that's his friend,
Mm-hmm.
but some boundaries have to be set prior to you and him talking back. Like,
Right.
prior to you guys saying, like, yeah, we're going to be a couple again. I feel like you need to let this girl know that, listen, I'm going to be back with this girl and I need some boundaries with you and every other female. Like, he needs to make them boundaries not only with her, but with females in his life in general. Like,
Facts, girl.
and, just those are just conversations that I guess, like, if I were you, I would be like, okay, I'm not going to just jump back into this relationship.
Yeah.
I need to see where things go. So, like, I wouldn't make him date me again. Like, we would have to go out to dinner.
Mm-hmm.
We would have to sit and have those discussions.
Start all over again, fresh, right?
Right. And then we would have to be like, this is what I'm expecting. Like, this is what I'm looking forward to in my future relationship. And if those things you don't want to give to me, then maybe we shouldn't even explore this again.
Right. Yeah.
So those things are what you'll bring up. Like, we've already been there, done that. So now we kind of know what we don't want from each other. Like, personally, you don't have anything that he could probably say, but,
Mm-hmm.
If he does, he might try to flip things and say, like, oh, you started that whole thing by even responding to her, blah, blah, blah. You should have came to me and talked to me and let me handle it.
Yeah, but that's what he did say. He did say that.
Yeah, but in any retrospect, you should say, yeah, but I gave you many opportunities to handle it.
And I did say that. Mm-hmm.
And that's why it escalated to the point where it did. So
Right.
now, I'm asking you to handle it prior to us even thinking about going anywhere with this relationship. So if it's handled from the beginning, there won't be any problems.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? So, I mean, and let him know that it's not that I'm giving you an ultimatum. It is always your choice. But for me to be happy and for us to be a happy couple, those things are going to have to be addressed.
Right. I mean, yeah, all that, but I did not expect that from you. I thought you was going to like, hell no, girl, what you doing? I felt like you was going like, are you sure? Are you crazy? You forgot what happened? You know, that's what I expected. I thought you was gonna say that.
Well,
I swear, but I know you're forgiving. Yeah, I know.
Yeah, I'm very forgiving. So.
But some things ain't forgivable, girl. But I understand what you're saying.
I know. Some things are not forgivable.
But wait, before you even go any further, I got something else to tell you.
Okay.
It's a prank.
Oh.
Girl, you know that is not gonna happen then. Oh, never happen again. I said, you know I would never do that again.
Oh my god.
I just pranked you, girl. I'm here sitting looking at the camera like, this is not what I expect from her. But she's forgiving. She won't say some, you know. Well, yeah, they don't hurt you mad good advice and whatever. But, girl, it's a prank. Oh, never happened.
You definitely got me. Oh my god.
And you're like, don't ever prank me. Don't prank me. I'm like, it's crazy. You know how long I was planning this? I was planning this from like last week. And it so happened that he sent a friend request yesterday. And I sent it to you and my other two friends. And I'm like, I'm going to prank them. Because that was a good thing. That like, even that, he just make it even easier for me to prank y'all.
Yeah, sure. Like, bro. Oh my goodness.
Well, girl, I cannot listen. I'm here sitting at the camera like I cannot believe she's saying this right now. Like, no. But okay, I got you. I got 2 more people to go get because I got. I was so nervous, girl. I was so fucking nervous.
I know what to say.
I was nervous. But wait, you really want me to expect me to get somebody after what happened a chance like that again? Girl, no.
I mean, everybody's level of understanding and forgiveness is different. So you know me, I'm forgiving to the worst.
Mm-hmm.
You know, like I can't tell nobody don't go and cry again. Like, hello, look how many things I've forgiven people for. Like, look at the level of things I've forgiven people for.
Yeah, that's true. Come on, Kimberly. Come on, girl.
Hello.
Hey, girl.
What's going on?
How you doing?
Huh?
How you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good, but I got something to tell you, girl. Why are you laughing?
I'm curious to know what it is.
Okay, so you remember what I told you yesterday? What I sent you yesterday?
Yeah.
So, we talked and he wanted another chance. And I decided to give him another chance.
This is an ex from how long ago?
The ex, the last one, the one I told you about. The one with the situation that happened that I told you. The situation that happened on Instagram, girl.
For some reason, I don't think so. They don't look like the pictures I've seen before. They look like a totally different person.
It's him. He's got a haircut. Why do you keep saying that? You ain't got nothing else to say then.
No, but you were
Tell me what's on your mind.
adamant when you said you blocking him and you don't want to talk to him.
I know. I mean, I didn't block him. I just never responded to none of his messages. Like, so you think I shouldn't give him another chance?
It's up to you.
But like, how do you feel though?
Huh?
Like, how you feel though?
No, I think you should. I mean, like, if you feel you want to.
That's really how you feel?
Huh?
That's really how you feel?
No, I feel that it's your decision. If you feel like he's worth getting another chance, then you should go for it. It's all up to you. Only you can make that decision.
I hear you. But you know, like, because the situation happened, I told you about it, so.
I'm like, the situation?
Yeah.
And did you make sure it should never happen again?
I mean, girl, I done put my 2 cents in just like the first time when I told him about it. And I definitely told him, like, we have to start over fresh if that's gonna happen. If I'm gonna make a decision and talk to him again, I told him that we have to start over fresh.
Mm-hmm.
And I told him his friend gotta learn her place. Like, he gotta talk to her.
Best friend thing.
Yeah, she gotta learn her place. Cause I told him I'm not doing that shit no more. I'm not doing it again, I should say.
He needs to tell her straight up, like, this is my girl. Like, you can't be disrespecting my girl. Like,
right. I don't got time to be going back and forth and doing that shit again. And I shouldn't have to do it the first time. Cause that's your friend. You should have talked to your friend. But I always give people second chances, but some situations don't deserve second chances too. That's the thing. I'm actually like iffy about it.
Iffy about it. Well, just go. Just be cautious with it. Just don't, jump into it right away.
Right.
If that never happened, just as if you just met him.
Mhm.
Get to know him again, and just put your foot down. You don't take that crap no more.
Facts, girl. Okay. So, but I got one more thing to tell you though. It's the prank. I just pranked you.
This is a prank.
Hell yeah, girl. You know I'm not giving up.
Oh my goodness.
That shit would never happen ever. Okay?
I can't believe you.
She said I can't believe you.
I can't believe I was pranked.
You're not the only one. I got one more person to prank. I gotta call Carmel real quick. Yeah, girl. So how you feel being pranked? I got you. I got you. What is I listen, yeah, this is not the reaction I was expecting from y'all, but I thought y'all was gonna go off.
I'm like,
Cause his time passed.
I'm like, if you feel like you wanted to get back with him, I'm not gonna stop you and be like, oh no, don't get back with him.
No, not even say like stuff like I thought you go like, are you sure? Are you crazy? Like, like, cause like I said, the situation that happened was like, that's something I would never. The person is forgiven, boy. That don't mean you're gonna be in my space again. Yeah. So for me, certain situations, to each his own. But for me, certain situations, to me, like loyalty. Listen, in a relationship, loyalty. If you're not loyal to me, the first time you show me that, I will never give you a second chance again. Yeah. So. Why are you laughing?
Nothing wrong with you.
Yeah, girl. Like, let me prank them. Yes. 2 down, 1 to go.
No, when you said that, I was surprised. I'm like,
You were surprised?
No, because when I talked to you before, you like, oh no.
Exactly. That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. That's not the reaction I expected from you.
Maybe you thought it over. I don't know.
That's why I was asking you how you feel. Like, I was like, tell me how you feel. This girl. Yeah, girl. Hell no. That should not happen again. I don't play that. Hey, girl. How you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. You relaxing? How you feeling? I'm alright. I had something to tell you, but I don't know if I should tell you right now.
Yeah, tell me. You should.
Are you sure?
What you do, girl? Start from the beginning before you even get there.
She said stop.
Before you even get there, just start from the beginning.
Okay, so remember the video? Remember the picture I sent you yesterday? Huh?
I said, excuse me. That's the person that was bad. I had that whole commenting thingy. The family jumped in.
Mm-hmm.
That dude.
Mm-hmm. So I decided to give him another chance.
Give him a chance like what?
Give him another chance. Give him another.
Where the best friend go? Where she at?
Well, girl, I spoke to him about it. Like, I let him know if it's not. I let him know if it's not gonna be like a conversation between you and her, like about what happened with me, then we can't work out. He been said that he told me that I don't know if it's true, but he told me that he had a conversation with her about it. But I feel like he's scared to stand up to her. So.
That's a tough thing.
Huh?
I said that's a tough thing. Like it's tough when you can't stand up to the person.
Exactly.
So then, like, if there's a problem, then what are you gonna do? Then that's what's like you to have to handle the problem, and that's where the problem came in the first place.
Exactly. And I don't want to have to go through that. I don't have to have check the same bitch again for the same situation. I don't got time.
Well, I hope he understands that.
What do you think?
I hope he understands that. If he can know that it's his problems to solve, but if it arises again,
right,
he handles it better than he did
last time. Right. That's what I said to him.
Like,
I hope he heard me because I don't.
I guess he'll learn.
Girl. But like, do you think I'm playing myself again?
I would never I'm the kind of friend that I am.
Mm-hmm.
I feel like you do what works for you, and if you feel like you want to give him another chance, I mean, then that's fine. Cause I don't feel like what he did was like, yes, it was a problem, but I don't feel like it was something that y'all couldn't have talked about and made it clear. I think like the only reason why like it was definitely agreeing to like just leave him alone because he couldn't see like how the situation was wrong.
Right.
And if you can't see it, then what's the point?
Right. And that's why I choose to leave it alone. And the fact that it was
seeing it and acknowledging it, and you're gonna handle it differently. And I guess you just have to take his word for it. And if he does that bullshit again, then you just know, like, well, you took your chance again, and it didn't work, and that's that.
That's the thing. That's what I'm scared of too. To be honest.
Well, there's only one way to find out. There's only one way to find out.
Girl.
Like, make sure that you're clear, like, with your expectations. And when you gonna meet Shorty? That's your friend, and when am I gonna meet her?
Girl, I don't want to meet that girl.
You need to meet her. There's no way my nigga having a friend I never met a girl. Sorry. You're not my man's friend if I don't meet you or know you. There's no way in hell. Like, go ahead with that. Like my ass. We all friends. What's up?
Just wanted to tell you what's going on and heard your advice or whatever.
God, live your life, shit.
Well, before I say yeah, I gotta tell you something too. It's the prank.
Was April Fool's early?
No, it's a prank. You just got pranked. She
I
said,
just got pranked.
yeah, Carmel, you just got pranked. I would never get back with that guy.
Can I believe you? I failed.
Yeah, you failed. You straight up believe me. It's like,
girl,
I don't know.
You know, but I mean,
yeah, I thought y'all was gonna be like, what? Really? You gonna do that? Blah blah blah. But I pranked you, the third person
Yeah, I mean,
We all got pranked.
chances. I can't be saying acting like I ain't give people chances that's done wrong.
Yeah, I mean, I give second chances too. Sometimes three times, but certain stuff I don't give second chances about. I can't. That happened. Hell no.
Like, get out of here.
No, it's not happening, girl. So everything I just said was a lie.
Well, you got me.
Bald-faced lie.
Like, I'm pregnant. Like,
That's
what?
You said what?
I thought you was like, I'm pregnant.
Pregnant? Nope. That ain't happening either. Carmel got pregnant. Yes, it's my first prank.
It's easy to prank me. It don't take much.
Really?
No, it do not.
All y'all said mostly the same thing. Like, but y'all gonna see this video. I'm gonna upload it tomorrow. So guys, this is the end of my video. If you like this video, please leave a comment and a like and subscribe to my channel. I just had to get them. So it's my first prank. So look out for more. Yeah, they won't see it coming. That's all I'm gonna say. So see you guys later.